Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, what if I told you your empty driveway could be making you some money? Yeah, you heard that right. So, instead of letting that space sit there unused, you can use it to rent it out. Earn some passive income with zero effort. So, let's check out some apps that can help you do that. The first app is Neighbor. So this app lets you rent out some extra storage space, whether it's a garage, driveway, or even some unused shed. So people are always looking for affordable places to store their stuff. You can get paid just for letting them use your space. So this the website just shows what items you're storing or parking, and you can become a host, or you can instantly just find a storage over there, type of storage, and this is also used for some businesses. Next up, moving, we have another website which is Spot Hero. So what Spot Hero is for is basically if you live in a busy area, this app help you rent out your driveway to drivers who need parking. Whether it's for commuters, event-goers, tourists, any empty space you can use to simply earn some cash. So it's simple, just look for it, book it, park it. But for you who wants to earn money, just simply go on the website, get the app, log in or sign up, and you can just start working and renting your space. Next we have Pavement. Pavement is an app which connects the car owners with available parking space. So if you have any unused spot, you can list it and start earning some money. Whenever someone parks there, you can easily book them in and earn some money. It is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any empty driveways, garages, any shades, storages, why not just simply turn all those spaces into some passive income generation, right? I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.